This $20 million Sydney mansion is without a doubt one of the most impressive estates on the northern beaches. This magnificent residence offers an unrivaled panorama of the district of Pittswater, delivering a sense of opulence and exclusivity. Set on over 1 acre of meticulously landscaped gardens that evoke the grandeur of Versailles, Chateau Narla is the epitome of aspirational living. Step inside and discover a world of refined living and entertainment options. The over 4,100 square metre Bayview estate has undergone meticulous transformation, incorporating elements inspired by the timeless beauties of Versailles. As you explore the multi-level mansion, you'll be greeted by a spacious, formal lounge and dining areas, inviting casual sitting and meal spaces, as well as a music and entertainers lounge with its very own bar. The family room, office, media room and built-in library provide versatile spaces for work and relaxation. Prepare to be impressed by the extensive custom cabinetry and high-end finishes that adorn the lavish home. The black and white stone kitchen, complete with an island bench, integrated fridge, freezers, and ample storage, is a culinary enthusiast's dream. The opulence continues as we explore the private quarters of Chateau Narla. The palatial royal suite beckons with its own lounge, ensuite, bathroom, and dressing room, providing a serene retreat. With a total of 5 bedrooms, each has its own ensuite, a retreat area, and a powder room. Comfort and luxury are truly prioritised here. Lastly, Chateau Narla offers a car lounge capable of housing up to 6 vehicles, ensuring both convenience and security.